What's going on, everybody? Dynamite MPH Syndicate back with another one. Gonna do a quick, simple install this time. I hope it's quick and simple. But got some new products I wanna put on the Vette. Hold on a second, let me pull this down here. Don't mind the mess. Let's get to this right here. What we have here, sequential taillight turn signal module. Something simple. I hope it's going to be a simple install. We're going to try and put this in the Corvette today. So let's go. So there it is, quick, easy, simple install. Sequential taillight harness on the C6 Corvette. If you like that, you want to get it, I have the link down in the description. Also, if you like the content I'm giving you, please make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you know whenever I upload. Also, please share this with your friends or anybody else that you know might be interested in the content here on the channel. Dynamite MPH Syndicate, I'm out.